We are going to sort these pictures by listening to the beginning sound. The beginning sound is the first sound you hear when you say the word. If the word begins like pig, pig, we're going to put it in the target with the letter P, because the letter P makes the P sound. If the word begins like rainbow, rainbow, we're going to put it in the letter R target, because the letter R makes the sound. Let's sort. Say raccoon. Now stretch it out. Raccoon. Raccoon. Say it with me. Raccoon. What sound do you hear at the beginning of raccoon? Did you say and what letter makes that sound? The letter R makes the sound. So we'll put raccoon in the letter R target. Say the word panda. Now stretch it out. Panda. Say it with me. Panda. What sound do you hear at the beginning of panda? Did you say P? That's right. Panda begins like pig. And what letter makes that sound? The letter P. So let's put the panda in the letter P target. Say the word penguin. Stretch it out. Penguin. Say it with me. Penguin. What sound do you hear at the beginning of penguin? Did you say P? You're right. And what letter makes that sound? That's right. The letter P makes the P sound. So let's put penguin in the letter P target. Say peanut. Stretch it out. P, p, peanut. Say it with me. P, p, peanut. What sound do you hear at the beginning of peanut? Did you say P? You got it. And what letter makes that sound? The letter P makes the P sound, like in peanut and pig. Put the picture of a peanut in the letter P target. Say rat. Stretch it out. Rat. Say it with me. Rat. What sound do you hear at the beginning of rat? Did you say the sound? You're right. And what letter makes that sound? The letter R makes the sound. So we'll put rat in the letter R target. Say the word pot. Stretch it out. P, p, pot. Say it with me. P, p, pot. What sound do you hear at the beginning of pot? Did you say P? You're right. Pot begins with a P sound. And what letter makes that sound? The letter P makes the P sound. Pot goes in the letter P, target. Say ring. Stretch it out. Ring. Say it with me. Ring. What sound do you hear at the beginning of ring? Did you say the sound? You're right. And what letter makes that sound? The letter R makes the sound. So ring goes in the letter R, target. Say the word rope. Stretch it out. Rope. Say it with me. Rope. What sound do you hear at the beginning of rope? Did you say You are right. Rope begins with the sound. And what letter makes that sound? The letter R makes the sound. So we'll put rope in the letter R, target. Let's look at the pictures that we sorted. Under the pig, for the letter P, we have pot, panda, penguin, peanut. They all begin with P. And over here, under the rainbow, we have raccoon, rat, ring, and rope. They all begin with like in rainbow. Give yourself a round of applause.